Hey, what's up, guys? Little Red, which is like my new channel, kinda. Here, with a new video. And by the way, there are two random people. I don't know why they joined, but the two balloons that I pick are the colors I can't touch. So we got pinkish purple, so that counts as two colors: pink and purple and green. Because pink or purple are barely here. Yeah, so I can't touch green, which that's a major one. And there's green on the zip line. And there's green everywhere in forest. Oh, there's one person. Yeah, so I'm thinking forest and what's the other place called? Oh, forest and this place. No, wait. It's better if you do this. Ooh. This map should be easy. It's not considered a map though, so. Or you could just go for a swim. Can't touch that thing. This next map. Ayapuka! Hi! I'm doing a challenge. I can't touch the color green, pink, or purple. Yeah. Yeah, I just found this guy. Okay, touching that. And then I'm gonna... Okay, so we basically just beat the forest. Oh yeah, and guys, I have to make it to the top of beach. Well, not beach, mountains. No! Wait, does a reflection count? Does a reflection count?
What do you mean a reflection?
Like that light is shining down here. Does it count?
No.
Okay.
You have to be actually touching the colour. Anyway, that one's yellow. That was... Well,
we can't touch green or pink or purple. Now, this is an easy win.
This is easy. Wait, the slide! The slide isn't...
Yes, let's go. We win. No, I touched the slide.